Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, students? Today we will study unit number 1, exercise numerical 1.6, subject physics. One point six. In 1.6, numerical is on closing the jaws of vernier caliper. Zero of the vernier scale is on the right to its main scale, such that fourth division of its vernier scale coincides with one of the main scale division. Find its zero error and zero correction. You should find zero error and you should make zero correction also. So first we will go into detail of zero error. What is zero error? On vernier scale there is two in vernier caliper instrument vernier caliper. There are two scales. One is main scale and the other one is vernier scale. If zero of main scale coincides with zero of vernier scale. Main scale, for main scale I will write MS. For vernier scale we will write VS. If both these scale coincides, zero of vernier scale is in front of zero of main scale. Zero error will be zero. But here 4 division is to the right of the 4 division of vernier scale. Zero of vernier scale is to the right of zero of main scale. So 4 division coincides. So least count, this 4 division will be multiplied with least count. This 4 division is multiplied with least count. This is the least count in centimeter. This is the least count of vernier caliper in centimeter. So the zero error is 0.04 centimeter. When zero is to the right, when zero of vernier scale is to the right of the zero of main scale. So error is positive because zero is to the right. And the line coinciding or coincides is fourth line. So it is 0.04 centimeter. Zero error is zero is to the right. Zero is to the right. So zero error will be positive. As it is positive zero error, so it will be subtracted from the total measurement. Total measurement is minus 0. Total measurement minus 0.04 and final measurement, you will calculate the final measurement. For example, if an object have a length measured with zero error, this one 0.4 centimeter, 1.04 centimeter. So as this instruments measure 0.04 centimeter more, so the actual reading will be 1 centimeter. So zero error is the zero error will be zero if zero of main scale coincides with the zero of vernier scale. If there is error, if zero error exists and zero is to the right, the error will be positive and you will subtract because it will measure more. And if zero is to the left, zero of vernier scale is to the left of zero of main scale, the error will be negative and it will measure less than its original length. And so error will be added. So positive error will be subtracted and negative error will be added. Now 1.7, screw gauge has 50 division on its circular scale. The pitch of screw gauge is 0.5 millimeter. What is its least count? A screw gauge have 50 division, pitch is 0.5 millimeter. Is pitch is the distance between two lines on linear scale. In screw gauge, there are two types of scale: linear scale and circular scale. So, on linear scale, the distance between two lines marked is 0.5 millimeter, and number of division on circular scale is 50. So, number of circular scale division is 50, and pitch of screw gauge is 0.5, and least count we have to calculate. So when you give one rotation to the circular scale, 15 division, it covers a horizontal distance or a distance of 0.5 millimeter on main scale. It means this. So in 100 division, it covers 1 millimeter. So least count formula for the least count is pitch divided by number of circular scale division. As we know that least count is equal to pitch divided by number of division on circular scale by putting the values. Values we will get the least count in millimeter and in centimeter also. The instrument we use, the screw gauge we use in the lab have 100 division. Here it is 50 division. And the pitch of that screw gauge which we use in lab is 1 millimeter. And here it is 0.5 millimeter. Which of the following quantities have three significant figures? This 6 is significant according to first rule. This 6 is also significant. This number is also significant. According to first rule, all numbers are significant. And second rule is 0 between two significant figure is significant. So significant, 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 significant. So the total number of significant figure is 5 in this case. Five significant figure. This number. Five significant figure. This number have three significant figure. Because if you look to this number, significant first rule. 0 between two significant figure is significant second rule. 3 number is significant first rule. After a decimal point, 0 to the right, 0 to the right of the reader or observer, and before the significant figure is not significant. So these two zeros are not significant. So three numbers, this number have three significant figures. 5 significant, significant, significant. Number written in the scientific notation. A number written in scientific way. This number before multiplication, all the numbers, all the digits are significant. So three significant figure. Three significant figure. Significant, significant, significant. And this is also significant. After a point, zero, zero is supposed to be significant if the number before zero is a significant number, because this will not affect your calculation or observation. If you write 301 or 301.0, it will not affect your measurement. It will not change the value, so it is significant. You have four significant figure. You have four significant figure. Now numerical 1.9. What are the significant figure in the following measurement? So if you look here, this number is significant. This is also significant. Zero between two significant figure is significant, and one is significant according to first rule. So four significant figure. Here zero is significant, five is significant, four is significant. These zeros are not significant according to the rule. So three significant figure. Before power of 10 there is three number, so three significant figure. All zero between two significant figure is significant. This number is significant. This is significant. So four significant figures. So number of significant figure is four. Now comes towards last numerical. The chocolate wrapper is 6.7 centimeter long and 5.4 centimeter wide. Calculate its area up to reasonable number of significant figure. So length is 6.7 centimeter and width it is 5.4 centimeter. So area, we have to calculate area. Area is length cross width. So write the formula, multiply, you will get the answer 36.18. 36.18. We rounded it to 36.2 centimeters square. But the correct significant figure answer is area is 36 centimeter. Centimeter square to two digit. The reason for this is length is significant to two numbers. Breadth is significant to two significant figures. So significant figure will be only to two digit, not to three digit. We finished this chapter and now we will go a little bit revision update of exercise. We first do the done the MCQs in this chapter. Encircle the correct answer from the given choices. The number of the base unit is in SI system are 7. Which one of the following is not derived unit? Pascal, kilogram, Newton, mole. Its the answer is kilogram. Amount of substance in term of number is measured in gram, kilogram, Newton, mole. It is mole. Amount of substance. An interval of 200 microsecond is equivalent to 2 cross 10 to the power minus 4. Option C. Option C is the right option. Here it is mole. Which one of the following quantity is the smallest? We done this one is the smallest. Which instrument is more suitable to measure the internal diameter of the test tube? It's vernier caliper. A student claimed the diameter of a wire is 1.032 centimeters using vernier caliper. So up to what extent do you agree with it? We agree to 1.03, not 2. Because in centimeter, the least count of vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter. So it can measure accurately to 2 digit after a decimal place. So option C is the best option. A measuring cylinder is used to measure volume. A student noted the thickness of a glass sheet using a screw gauge. On the main scale, it reads 3 division, while 8 division on the circular scale coincides with the index line. Its thickness is option B, 3.08 centimeter. Sorry, not option B. It's option D, 3.08 millimeter. It's not meter, it's millimeter. Significant figure in an expression are all the accurately known digit, all the accurately known digit, and the first output digit. It's option C. Numerical problem. We express 500 gram as a prefix, 5000 gram as a prefix, 5 kilogram. Then we write the 2000 as a megawatt. In the next you see how do prefixes micro, nano, and pico are related to each other. You can see also 1 micro is 10 to the power minus 6, 1 nano is 10 to the power minus 9, and 1 pico is 10 to the power minus 3. The relation is shown here. 1 pico is equal to 10, 10 to the power minus 6 micro, 10 to the power minus 3 nano. Growth rate, you know the formula. You have to convert millimeter per day into nanometer per second. So it's 11.57 nanometer per second. Here we have to write the number in standard form. You can do it. Write the following quantities in standard form. So you know the standard form that there is only one non-zero digit before the decimal place. So these are the questions that we done. This is today question. Uh, I hope so that you will understand this. This is very easy. This chapter is very easy. Keep on revising and inshallah you will do it. Wish you best of luck. It's today lecture number 10, and we finish this chapter. Unit number 1 is finished. Tomorrow we will start unit number 2, kinematics. So till date, Allah Hafiz.